Make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain if you have a noisy engine, how you can fix it, guys, without taking it apart, and how to make your engine last a long time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys, to any of you having a BMW 5 Series. It could be any generation 5 Series. I'm talking about E60, E61, F10, F11. Even if you have the G30, G31, the new generation, and you have noisy engine, you hear ticking, rattling noise from your engine, we'll explain what can easily sometimes make your engine quiet again, how to fix it without taking it apart. Of course, that will work if you do not have mechanical problems. Often engines, when they get worn or they get older, they'll get noisier, but there is a way to protect them from the beginning, or if it's too late, if they develop the noise, you can make them quiet again, and we'll explain how. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos, guys. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW, any car, practically any model, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We are constantly adding new cars, so we are constantly working on problems that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain how to fix that now. So specifically, we'll demonstrate on F10 BMW 5 Series, guys. Now, this one, it hit 107,000 miles. The engine started getting a little bit noisy. You can hear valve lifters a little bit. What can easily cause that? Wear and tear, guys, usually. Also, BMW recommends to change the engine oil quite long intervals. In my opinion, it shouldn't be that way. Probably they have it backed up by scientific data, but I personally prefer to change my oil more often, 5,000 to 6,000 miles, guys, because otherwise, for instance, that engine here failed the timing chain at 84,000 miles. My mom's BMW failed the timing chain at 71,000 miles. So in my opinion, engine oil should be changed more often. Now, how you can quiet your engine? First, do an oil change, but before you change your oil, use, guys, engine flush by Licky Moly. Now, Licky Moly did not sponsor that video. These stuff are purchased by us, guys. But we want to share that information because it's something that we really liked during the years working here as mechanics. And this Licky Moly engine flush, I wasn't a believer until I tried it myself. We tried it on Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We opened the engine to put new valve covers and it looked like new on the inside, guys. So there is a special video that says, does Licky Moly engine flush work? Demonstrated on Porsche Cayenne. Check it out. It will show you guys the results after we use it. Do an engine flush. It can clean the insides of your engine, so that way everything can be nice, clean. That sometimes can make engine quieter as well, because it can actually clean piston rings and valve lifters and all kind of stuff. Sometimes valve lifters will have passages that are clogged up. They will not get enough oil pressure and that can create noise. Next, change your oil and your oil filter. Always use the right kind of oil for your BMW, otherwise that's why it may be noisy. Use the correct viscosity, use the correct oil, make sure it meets the specifications. And when you do an oil change, guys, something that can protect your engine and make it really quiet as well is the Certec by Licky Moly. This is a little bit expensive, but it's amazing. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It reduces wear significantly, creates low emissions, and improves gas mileage. What it does, it reduces friction by 75%, it reduces wear by 34%. That's quite a bit. And on this, guys, some BMWs are known for the newer engine, the turbo engines, for connecting rod bearing failure. So that thing can actually prevent that as well. Turbochargers failures, it can help your turbo works better as well, because it reduces friction for the bearings as well. So maybe bearings will not be shot so soon as well. So we'll go ahead, give it a good shake, and we'll continue. So give it a good shake, guys, energetic, good shaking. Okay, make sure to shake it good, because all that ceramic particles maybe on the bottom, so shake it good. We're going to open it. It has that nasty color, you will see, orangey color, but that's magic for your engine, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open the cap right here, inspect your cap, make sure you don't have white buildup, sludge on the inside. That means you have a bad PCV valve most likely. So we're going to open it now, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and put it in. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, you can see, just taking it slowly. You need to make sure, guys, okay, that you drain the whole thing all the way. Okay, perfect. And we can leave it upside down for a little bit so it can leak all the way out. Make sure you don't overfill your car with too much oil, but you can always use just a little bit of oil, just switch it a little bit and get the extra out of it as well. Depending on the capacity of your engine, you may require even more. This one, okay, will be enough for ours now. So we just let it drain all the way and it's done, guys. So that thing is practically gold in a bottle for your engine. It will help your BMW quite a bit. Start driving it, you will notice some significant, guys, improvement. We just dropped our cap. I see where it is. You should never stick your hand here because the radiator fan is there, but you should start noticing, okay, improvement almost immediately. But the more it works, the more it will improve. This is due to the fact that the ceramic coating will start building up on the engine. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.